these. Okay. Now that's better. Now listen to this. What you're hearing is the actual communication going through a Firecom apparatus intercom. When I speak or information is transmitted from dispatch, everyone on the apparatus can hear it and knows what to expect at the incident.
Dispatch calling box 5378 on a possible house fire, 480 Northwest 317. Engine assignment, engine 107, engine 103, engine 102, and rescue 10. Repeating, box 5378 on a possible house fire, 480 Northwest 317. Additional information, neighbors called in, stated they thought they heard children yelling inside.
You guys hear that? There's children inside. I want you to pack up and pull an 1.5 inch cross lay and do a primary search.
Okay, I copy. Copy.
Nothing gets missed. There's no guesswork. You get complete, clear communication without the mistakes and misunderstandings you have with the old way of communicating. With the Firecom system, you get superior protection from hearing loss. And unlike earplugs, you're not forced to sacrifice hearing vital communications to protect your hearing. Come on, follow me. Let's take a closer look at how the system works. Here's a typical installation. This is the intercom unit. It's easy to install. All it takes is a single U-bracket, much the way your radios are mounted. The headset module is typically mounted up here. All it takes is a couple of screws to attach it. The headset plugs in here, like this. To connect the headset module to the intercom unit, just snap this cord into the module. It's that simple. There's no wiring, stripping, or soldering. The only thing left for your technical people to do is hook up the power and the radio connection. Even the control panel's simple. Here's the Squelch Control. It's preset, so all you have to do is adjust it for the noise level. Next to it is a volume control for the intercom system. And over here are the controls for the digital message recorder. This item alone puts Firecom head and shoulders above other intercom systems. Let me show you how it works. Notice that the red light's on, indicating the recorder's ready in the standby mode. As soon as you hear your apparatus identifier call number, you push the start button.
Engine 107, truck 10, rescue 10. Respond on a second alarm hazardous material spill. Hydrochloric acid involved. Southbound 219, just north of Adams Street.
Okay, now what was the location? What kind of incident? With the Firecom digital message recorder, you just push the button, like this.
Engine 107, truck 10, rescue 10. Respond on a second alarm hazardous material spill. Hydrochloric acid involved. Southbound 219, just north of Adams Street.
It's that easy. With no more mistakes and with up to 32 seconds of recorded messages. And it also works as a notepad. Now watch this. Say you're arriving at a fire. You see something suspicious. Suspicious white male, late 20s, leaving the scene in a red Buick, license number QTR 353. But you've got to strap on your tanks and go. Then 2 hours later, when you come back, you still have the information on the suspect.
Suspicious white male, late 20s, leaving the scene in a red Buick, license number QTR 353.
Up to 6 people can be plugged into this intercom system, and as many of these locations as you designate can have transmit capability over the radio. Talking with the Firecom system is a breeze. No hand mic to find or a push-to-talk button on the dash to reach for. With the Firecom system, you just reach up and touch your headset-mounted talk button. It's easy even wearing bulky turnout gloves. Another real plus is the voice-activated full-duplex communication. See, that means this system works just like your telephone, not like your radio, where you have to wait and take turns to speak. There you have it. A quick look at the Firecom apparatus intercom. It can do a better job of protecting you and improving your communications than any system on the market today. It's easier and faster to install and costs less. It's worth looking into. Just call 1-800-527-0555 today and ask for a quote. If you decide to go with Firecom, you'll get a full 30-day money-back, no-risk guarantee and a 1-year warranty. In a life or death situation, you wouldn't want anything less than a Firecom system. Call now.